Hi guys, Sean here with ScaleRCEngines.com. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. We're here down at Vendor Row talking to a bunch of customers, meeting a bunch of new people. We're going to talk about some of our products, our new releases for this year, current lead time, stuff like that. So as always, we have our full lineup of scale engines. We've pretty much mastered all the engines available in common RC airplanes. We also do custom work, so if you're building anything obscure, we can do that for you. We also have our full lineup of World War I guns and other armament that you could need. Again, any obscure missiles, gun sets you need for any airplanes you're building, just feel free to reach out. We do that kind of work all the time. Other popular products that we've been selling a lot of this year, our Hangar 9 D7 kit has been really popular this year, as it was last year for the giant D7 available on Hangar 9, the 86-inch model. We have a full cockpit kit, a gun set, and a dummy engine available for that model. It's all drop-in ready, no modifications needed. Just remove all the stock components and install our new ones, and you'll get a new hyper-realistic scale look to your plane. This is our new premium Spandow available on the website. We still offer our standard Spandow gun set, but this is the new premium one. And what you're going to get with that is you're going to get more hyper-realistic sights, some new engraving seen on the back. The whole side has been reconfigured for a more scale look. You'll get a full-color bullet magazine as well as the full-color exit chute that can be trimmed to fit to your airplane. It comes in only a couple pieces. You have a front piece, your sights, barrel shroud, a couple pieces here, two body halves, and this side lever. Other really popular products from us this year are going to be our EFlight T28 products. So we have the 1.2 meter, we have a direct fit engine for that, and we have a direct fit engine for the 2.0 meter one. We also have cockpits available for both of those airplanes. They all come in full color. There is no cutting, no gluing. Simply remove the glue bead around the canopy, pop your canopy off, glue our parts in, and reinstall the canopy. Here is the Legend Hobby T28 Direct Fit Cockpit Kit. As always, it comes in full color. There's no painting done here by you. It'll come with a full sticker kit as well as a lens kit for the dashboards. In here you'll see the optional Warbird Pilots figures that really doll up and are drop-in ready for the kit. There is no modification to the airplane for this. Available this year, we did release a dashboard kit for the Hangar 9 pits. That's been really popular. It's a really inexpensive item that just drops right into the pit's cockpit. You can just peel off the old sticker to expose the mounting point behind it, glue in the new dashboards. They're already trimmed to fit the airplane, so there's no sanding, cutting. All you have to do is apply the stickers to the dashboard kit. Future products we're coming out with, we are starting to release some giant scale wall art in both the 2D airplanes and the large 75%, 3-foot diameter, 2-foot diameter wall mounted engines. So if you want a big wall engine, moving or non-moving, for your den, your workshop, the living room, wherever you want, we can do that kind of work for you. And we can do that with any engine on our website or any gun set on our website. Or we have our giant scale pilot line. We have it as a generic pilot as 40, 50, 60% busts. We can also do in-between scales if you need. And we also have our personalized pilot line. So if you want to send us a photo of yourself, we can turn you, a family member, a friend, into a pilot. You can order your head on any of our Warbird pilots that we offer on our website, or a generic bust for any of your civilian sport planes. Another new endeavor for this year is going to be no assembly, no paint cockpit kits. So you'll see here we have the P51 prototype here on the table. This is how you're going to receive it out of the box. There's not going to be any assembly work other than what you see here. It'll all come pre-assembled like you see it in full color, so you won't have to do any painting whatsoever. You'll just take it, cut it on the bandsaw to fit into your airplane, and glue it straight to the side of the airplane. Guys, thanks for watching the video and stopping by. Again, we're here at Joe Nall 2025. If you're at the event, come by and say hi. We love to meet our customers, and as always, come see our website for any engines you need. We do custom scales at no extra cost. We do custom work if you need an obscure scale item made. We do our giant scale pilots, our cockpit kits, and anything you could need to make your airplane more scale. If you don't see it on the website, please feel free to reach out. We do that work all the time for our customers to make your lives easier building.